is June the 14th, and plans change a lot, all the time. We are on our way to Whittier today. Woohoo! We're not moving far today. 10 or 12 miles.
The little town of Whittier.
Yay! And of course, they're working on the roads. That's the way it is in the summertime up here.
You go through to get here. There's two tunnels, it said. I thought they were both together.
The 2-lane tunnel that we go through first, and then we go through the 1-lane tunnel. Awesome.
I didn't see no sign that said tunnel ahead or any damn thing. They don't believe in signage around here.
Here's the 1-lane tunnel is coming up. Yes, and it's going to be rainy again today. Why would we think anything else? Well, it's a little further around the corner. This portage area is so pretty.
You should be taking a picture of that to your right.
Stop back. Yep.
I guess that's what they're saying.
You might get a veteran's discount too.
I don't know. It didn't say anything about none of that. You can't make a damn sign out.
You gotta go through here and pay for your toll. She told us to get in lane 3 to go in, and lane 4 when we come out this afternoon. All right. Now this is going to be different, y'all. Different today. This is a different kind of tunnel. It's one way, and we have to share it with a train. Train comes out and we go in, or we go in and then the train comes. We're all about to go in right now. I just seen the arm go up. It's 25 miles an hour. You gotta have your headlights on. The little scroll thing tells you which lane to go. So right now lane 1 is going through. I didn't see anybody in lane 2. So we're in lane 3. See? Lane 1 open. It said lane 3 open.
Green light.
Got your lights. Lane 3 open. All right. We're going through the tunnel, y'all. Uh-oh. We got the green light. All right, here we go, y'all. I know, you've never seen a tunnel like this, huh? And there's the train track. Wow. And this is 2.5 miles long?
Yep.
2.5 miles, y'all. Wow. See, the walls are rock. This is going right through the mountain. Oh, nope. Those are concrete walls right there. Now we're back to rock. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel. And this tunnel is the longest single multi-purpose tunnel in the United States. And I can honestly say we've never driven on a railroad track like this. How about you saying anything, Mr. C?
I'm focusing.
He's focused.
I'm trying to stay up on the railroad ties. What's that?
Yep, there's our light at the end of the tunnel. We made it. Woohoo! And we are out. All right. Woohoo! Nice and cloudy today.
Still pretty.
Oh, it is pretty. But as you can see, like I was talking yesterday, see how the mountains are in the clouds? That happens around here a lot.
And our sea elevation here is 56 feet.
56 feet in elevation. Wow.
There's your Whittier sign.
There we are. We made it. Yay. Now, because we are a bigger vehicle, because we have our fifth wheel with us, we're going to find parking for large vehicles.
I bet you're going to have to pay to park here.
Yeah, I thought it said you had to have a permit to park there.
Yep.
We're not sure, y'all, but you see that building right there? The majority of the people that live in Whittier live in that building.
Oh, okay. Trying to read the signs. It ain't very big. See what the deal is. How much is it to park here?
I'm still putting up my sign. We're late opening this year.
Oh.
So are you here for the day park, looking for a campground, what?
I guess right now, day park.
So this parking lot is not free.
It's $15.
It's $15. But because we're only going to be here a couple hours, she charged us $10.
Yeah. If we stay longer, we'll pay them the extra $5.
Yeah. It's going to be a fun day. We're going to unhook our truck so that we can ride around in the dry. This is Portage Bay.
This is Portage Canal.
Oh,
Created from
canal.
glacier. No, I don't think glacier's this end. Okay.
There's a fishing boat.
What you turn?
Cruise ship.
Yeah, it's all wet today. Ugh. We wanted to boondock in Whittier. However, we kept running into these no camping signs and getting a knock at the door in the middle of the night and a $300 fine. No, thank you. This is the parking lot where we stayed for a couple hours because we wanted to check out the town. It's rainy and kind of icky today. And you see all these potholes? Anywhere there's gravel, there's potholes in this town. Just saying. We're gonna go over here in a few minutes and eat us some fish and chips. Cost us $10 to park here for a couple hours. If you're all day, it's $15. But we rode around in the truck for a little bit, and now we're gonna walk across the railroad track and go eat. We ate lunch there. I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna show you the menu. I'm just gonna say it was a little pricey, but it was good. We just had burgers and fries. about to go back through the tunnel. And if you look straight up in the V of the mountains there, you can see the glacier. And there's a waterfall off to the left. Awesome. See how blue the ice is? Wow. Traffic is coming through the tunnel right now, and our turn will be soon. Awesome. We made it here just in time. That's pretty good. It'll be leaving at 1 o'clock. We got 30 minutes, babe. Here we go. You gotta be watching this light right over here.
There's two of them. One there,
Yep.
one here.
Yep. When it's green, you can go. But you're supposed to stop here when it's red. Like we are stopped. When it turns green, we can go. Through the tunnel we go. And that was Whittier, Alaska. Beautiful place, but wet and rainy today.